If smoke is creeping into your room when you light up the fireplace, you gotta fix that fast because nobody wants their living space smelling like a campfire gone wrong. Okay, so first off, always make sure your damper is open all the way before you start a fire. It's crazy how many people forget this and the smoke has nowhere to go but inside. Next, use seasoned wood. Like wood that's been dried for at least 6 months. Because wet wood creates way more smoke and can cause problems. Also, check your chimney for any blockages like bird nests or creosote buildup. If stuff is stuck up there, smoke can't escape properly. When you're building the fire, start with small kindling and build up slowly so the fire heats the chimney quickly, which helps pull smoke out. Keep the room ventilated by cracking a window open a bit. That fresh air helps balance pressure and stops smoke from rolling back in. Clean your chimney regularly to avoid buildup that can block airflow. If your fireplace has glass doors, keep them open while starting the fire to let smoke escape easily. And finally, avoid burning trash or treated wood because that creates nasty smoke and toxic fumes. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplaces is not opening the damper fully, which traps smoke inside the room. Fix this by always double-checking it's wide open before lighting up. Another common problem is burning wet or unseasoned wood, which leads to excessive smoke and creosote buildup in the chimney. Stick to dry, seasoned wood to keep things clean and safe. The last big issue is ignoring chimney maintenance. Blocked chimneys cause smoke to back up indoors and can even be a fire hazard. Schedule a professional chimney sweep at least once a year or clean it yourself if you know how. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fireplaces and chimney care. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of work from people who need reliable pros, so everyone wins.